For sale, 2-bedroom, 1-bath, 105 Wilson Drive. The number's there on the corner of the house. Outside lights are working nice. Picture of the deck. 2 outbuildings. A lot of trees in the yard. There's a nice little sign that the neighbor put up. A little decorative garden with some antiques. It's got a digital antenna and a flagpole with a solar light. Window AC units are not used anymore. New cable for a strong signal. 3-year-old central air with a net to control grass clippings and tree debris. There's your exterior vent for your vent fan. There's your electric and your gas and your dryer vent. Yard extends to the street. The yard includes the 2 clothesline poles. More black walnut trees. Yard extends over to the neighbor's yard. Back to that corner there of the farm field. Alongside the neighbor's house. Back sides of the sheds. Both of the sheds are nicely kept. The back door with steps going up to it. It's in pretty good shape. Some little yard furniture. We'll take a quick look inside the shed. The shed has 2 windows. Oh, let's turn on some light. There we go. So, lots of room inside. There's a nice big loft upstairs. You can store a lot of stuff. Riding lawnmower is not included. Door works nice and it's lockable. It's a double door. There's an extension cord that comes over from this shed to that shed. This is a little garden shed. It's got a couple of workbenches and a light switch with a light inside. Spot to put your trash and recycling bins. Alternate spot alongside the deck here. Driveway is big enough to hold 3 cars really. And then some more landscaping. 3 steps up, another spot for a trash can there if you want to put it there. Some accessories, rain gauge. And then as we go in the house, you notice that has a nice new screen door, storm door, 3/4 window, and it closes nicely and firmly. There's no leaks in the roof. Interior door is a single handle, deadbolt can be added. So it opens up to a huge living room. It's got some decorations. Anything you see here is optional and negotiable. The TVs could come with the house for the right offer. Little niche for storing things. A new flag for the flagpole outside. And into the kitchen. Fairly big kitchen. Lots of storage. This is your furnace with central air. Furnace is 3 years old, as well as the central air unit. Microwave is optional. There's a spot over there in a corner where you could put the microwave. Fridge is older, but it's new. Not new. The fridge is older, but it still works nicely. The oven is clean. Oven light works. And just, yeah, this place has a lot of storage. Table is optional. Whether or not you want that, we can certainly handle that. Lighted pantry. Right now the light is on. I could also show you turning that off, but we'll move right along. Down the hall, new LED light fixture. Oh, and by the way, the kitchen light is a fluorescent 4-foot with LED replacement tubes. So there's fast startup. In here, this is the teal bedroom. Seafoam color green. 4 drawers, closet. Big windows. Insulated back door. And bathroom. So, pretty big bathroom. Double sink. New LED fixture, LED bulb, 1-year-old toilet. Dryer works good. Front load washing machine works good with a pedestal drawer underneath. Storage cabinets above both of the units, plus a linen closet. Big room in the linen closet. Plenty of room for towels and cleaning supplies and such. Or if you like cats, you could store a cat box there too. Here we got a big master bedroom. Double closet. 2 windows. Dressers are optional. Window coverings obviously could be improved. And there's the second TV. The main breaker panel for the house is right there. There's extra fuses and light bulbs there, along with some LED tubes. Here is the water heater. It was installed 4 years ago. Plumbing is PEX, and the back of the bathtub is very accessible. It's a gas water heater, so it recovers pretty fast. And that's about it. We'll walk back toward the living room. Take a quick little review here. Windows in the kitchen are nice and big. Lots of storage. So it's an older home, but it's had some money put into it. And if you're interested, let us know. Thank you.